Welcome back to your channel. Daily wisdom is a light that never, and every maxim is that reflection. A bright maxim reminds us the journey of 1,000 miles being with a single step, no matter how fair the road. Courage is born in that a very first stride. Mother of the bride maxim. Patience is the Patient is the brave. The true strength is not rushing but in waiting with now that the seed we plant today bloom in its own time. Every maxim shine like a guiding star once saved the hand that survey are holier than the lip that pray. Service, kindness, and compassion are the true light of unity. In moment of despair, remember this maxim: even the darkness night will end, and the sun will rise. Every hardship has an expiry date. On every tear waters this seed of tomorrow. Joe, life data techniques often come in maxim. A bride tell us happiness is and something you postpone for the future. It is something you design for the present. Create your joy like it now. The mother of all wisdom. Declare knowledge without action is like a lamp without oil. We must not only learn but also live by the truth we know. Bright are the brides between failure and success. Fall 7 times and rise 8. The golden key to greatness. Lastly, closely for every mother is blessing. We have to. The richest person is not the one who owns much, but the one value all. Time is the silent teacher. A maxim reminds us last time is never found again. You went for each trick of the clock is life slipping quickly by. Mother of the bride teaches a kind word is like autumn sunshine. One gentle word can heal heart like a soul and single path in